কাজল কাজলা
দাদু বকবে
দাদু জানতে পারবে না দাদুকে আমি বলবো না এসো
His work particularly for Satyajit Ray, all the films that he has made for Ray are so extraordinary. He fits into the role in a way that he becomes recognizably a human being. He becomes a person that you would know. He becomes like that. So it offers you identification on extraordinary intimate level as an actor, and that to me is a great quality in an actor, and he has that.
It was a kind of a collaboration, my work and his work. Had there not been the director himself, a great artist like Satyajit Ray, I wouldn't have been able to perform so well.
After his debut film, Apu Songshar, Soumitra Chatterjee never had to look back. On the 20th of April 1960, Soumitra tied the nuptial knot with Deepa, a three-time West Bengal champion in badminton. In due course, a son, Shogato, and a daughter, Poulumi, were born to this popular couple. Today, Soumitra Chatterjee is a content grandfather of Ranodeep and Mekhala.
Even now, he retains that childlike curiosity which he had in Apu Songshar as Apu. That's why he made such a wonderful Apu. His eyes would light up and, there'll be a twinkle in his eyes, and he's so interested in so many things. You can talk to him about cricket, about stage, about, politics.
সৌমিত্র চট্টোপাধ্যায় হচ্ছেন সৌমিত্র চট্টোপাধ্যায়।
Dada Saheb Phalke Award, which is given not for one particular film or one particular achievement, but for your whole life's contribution to the film art, the cinema. This is really gratifying. I feel very happy.
अब मैं विनम्र आग्रह करूंगा भारत के महामहिम उपराष्ट्रपति श्री मोहम्मद हामिद अंसारी जी से कि वे आएं और श्री सौमित्र चैटर्जी को सिनेमा के सर्वोच्च पुरस्कार से सम्मानित करें।
हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदवार पैदा। सौमित्र चैटर्जी, द मैन ऑफ द मोमेंट, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। The iconic Indian actor for his outstanding contribution in garnering worldwide acclaim for Indian cinema. A sensitive poet, a successful theatre director, the thespian is one of the finest examples of a performing artist who dignifies the nuances of his emotive art with the perfection of diction. Harnessing his magnificent look and Bengali sensibility to the universal language of cinema, the refined actor carved a place for regional players in the international arena. If celluloid maestro Satyajit Ray found in Soumitra Chatterjee the ideal protagonist for his creations, the living icon in turn crafted them into classic studies of characterization. His versatility in character portrayal witnessed in niche cinema as much as popular movies over more than half a century, and he continues to inspire young actors as well as filmmakers.
दादा साहब फाल्के पुरस्कार से सम्मानित श्री सौमित्र चैटर्जी जी से मैं गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो अपने सिनेमा के अनुभव के बारे में 2 शब्द कहें.
Our very respected Vice President and the Minister for Information and Broadcasting, and all the dignitaries and friends present either on the dais or in the auditorium. I am really not in a frame of mind to say anything about this. All my life I have been plagued with a doubt about my work, and always thought that maybe this business of entertainment is not really worthwhile. And I have always thought that if I could instead do something like Albert Schweitzer and go away to a distant labor colony and serve people, my life would have been worthwhile really. But time and again, for last more than 50 years, I have been accepted, loved, and made to feel one of their own by my countrymen. I love them, I respect them. They are the reason I have come this long for more than 50 years. I salute them that they have supplied me with the energy and the determination to continue with in what I believe, in what I think to be good art. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dada. May I now request His Excellency Vice President of India, Shri Mohammed Hamid Ansari ji, to please address us.
Honorable Ambika Soni ji, Honorable Jagat Rakshakan ji, Honorable Chaudhry Mohan Jatao ji, Honorable Chairperson and members of the jury, distinguished winners of the awards, distinguished members on and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, and many young friends. I have come across so much talent this evening that I am rendered almost speechless. But ritual requires that I should say something. I am reminded of a sociologist who had argued, and argued rightly, that popular culture is a site where collective social understandings are created. Our films play a significant role in this, more so given the linguistic and regional diversity they portray. The annual National Film Awards are an important landmark in our cultural calendar and are rightly eagerly awaited. It therefore gives me great pleasure to participate in today's presentation ceremony of the 59th National Film Awards. Over the years, these awards have recognized excellence as also propelled new or unknown talent to national and international limelight and provide encouragement and recognition to them. They also provide us an annual opportunity to salute and pay homage to the father of Indian cinema, Dhundaraj Govind Phalke. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award winners constitute the legends of Indian cinema. This prestigious award today has been presented to the renowned Bengali film and theatre actor Shri